naghahanap akong siomai.
What's up mga Dubbercans? Ngayon nagkagala tayo.
Hello everyone!
Gala time for Team Sen.
Yeah, first time kong lalabas ng bahay since Saturday. Ang init! So, hydrate.
Yung mga dyan side.
Maluwag, pwede mo na ikabig.
Hindi kasi dito kung bigayan na dito, di ba?
Wala.
Suntan, sunscreen, strawberry, ice cream, midsummer's daydream, sipping in between long
So guys, parang Clark dito na need mo talaga mag-stop before ka go. Like this one.
Tapos lahat
Talagang
papalagpasin mo muna.
like papalampasin mo talaga lahat before
Bawal
ka
kayong sumingit-singit.
hindi ka gaya sa atin na parang pag libre, pasok
Pasok.
agad. Laging right of way yung sa highway. So, if galing ka like dito sa mga streets,
So kung nagmamadali kang tao.
hindi ka pwedeng magmamadali.
Oo.
Always mag-iingat kasi mabibilis sila mag-drive dito kasi nga walang traffic. Right?
Right.
Hey guys, we made it. Andito na kami sa, anong lugar ba to? Basta yun. We're here. Dito sa Dollar Tree. Tapos marami siyang katabi. May Bath and Body Works. May Ulta. Ulta? Ewan. So, ito, sobrang tirik yung araw. Tapos ito may McDo.
Ay, yung Bath and Body Works.
Yeah, I wanna go inside. Let's go.
days, warm nights, gliding like kites, sapphire clear skies, whipped cream cherry pies. Every year, right around June 21st,
Bumili si Timmy. Dito magkano lang? Dollar.
150. 125 bro eh.
Eyelash curler.
Ano yung hawak mo?
Eyelash curler. What color? Taylor Swift. Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Dollar Tree and lahat is $1.25 lang. So that's around roughly 50 pesos, 55, mga ganun.
70 mga ganun.
Yeah. Like imagine ito. Saktong-sakto kailangan ko na ng moisturizer. Airheads gums.
it's looking so fun, diva. Linen dresses, straw hat masses, blowing hair through the wind as we're spinning. Watercolor world, it's all just beginning. Roses, peachy, I feel like the world is.
Pero mag-jibs lang tayo. Hey guys, kung gusto niyo magpasabay sa akin, I'll give you discount. Sobrang mura dito. So, cut muna natin yung window shopping kasi ginugutom na kami ni Timmy. So, tatry namin kumain sa Checkers.
In the sunshine,
So hot.
oh my,
Saan tayo pumasok?
na labas. Puro like, bilihan siya ng mga
Oo.
things. Parang mall.
In the sunshine. Oh my, it's looking so fine.
Ang laki ng clearance. Bakit sa atin ang liit? Gas yung Chevy sa akin.
Pili ka na.
Ano ba masarap?
Hello, hold on.
Got it. You can go ahead when you're ready.
Number 2? Masyadong mahal.
Smoky bacon.
A la carte na lang tayo
Tubig
para...
naman ako.
Yeah. Asan ba?
Sandwich siya.
Sandwich
Ah.
lang.
What would you like?
Hello. Baconzilla, double meat, sandwich, and 1 regular loaded fries.
I'm finalizing your order and getting your total. 1304, thank you. Please pull up to the window and have your payment ready.
Got it na. You got it na. Hindi ka mag-iintay ng 20 minutes.
Hindi ka pagtatabihin sa gilid.
Yeah. So, currently we're at Checkers. So, we got the burger. This is Baconzilla
Baconzilla.
here. Yeah. So, I'm going to try it. First drive-through in US. Sarap. Here's the burger. Sobrang mataba siya. So let's try naman the burger. I will rate it 1 to 10. Compared sa Burger King, para siyang kalasa ng Shake Shack dun sa Philippines. 'Di ba? Agree? So good. Happy lang kami talaga. Kasi malalaki talaga yung serving niya.
Ang laki ng burger.
Ang laki
Double
ng burger.
patty.
Double patty na siya. So, comment down below guys kung should we do the order what's in front of us challenge dito sa US. Never namin ginawa sa Philippines yun, pero kung gusto ninyo, comment down below. Double patty siya, pero mukha siyang triple patty kasi makapal yung patty niya. Tapos yung sauce na ginamit, para siyang ketchup mayo lang, pero with a twist.
Grabe, busog.
Sobrang busog. Hati na kami dito sa dalawa. Ay, oo, sa dalawang to. Kasi, ang dami nung serving nito, nung fries. Bells. So, sabi ni Jimmy, para siyang Marshalls. Shit, putol yung kuko ko.
Yan.
Bag, bucket bag. $24.
Hasta yung Hobby Lobby o eh.
Ha?
Hobby Lobby.
Ano yun?
Hobby Lobby.
Mall? Eh, nakita ko yung Thai and sushi. Masarap daw dyan.
Alam mo yung Little Caesars?
Ano yun?
Pizza.
I spent the summer like in Edinburgh, cutting wires from the inside out. And when I put myself together again, I'm gonna move out of my parents' house.
Hey guys, so currently nandito kami sa Ding Tea. So, it's a boba place.
Total cost mo.
So, bumili kami ng boba. mochi donut. All for $97, I think.
97?
$9.97.
$9.79.
$9.79. Yeah. So this is a mochi donut. Try natin. Mahal donut.
Every summer.
Guys, meron lang ako na-realize while staying here for like almost 2 weeks na sa US. Mapagbigay sila
Asan tayo ngayon?
for makeup. Guys, heaven to for girls. Meron siyang Sephora. Pero may Sephora din dito. Pero mas daming brands dito. MAC. 1.7 ounce Ay, 7 54 tong maliit. Super ganda daw nito.
Ito yung ginagamit ng mga commercial sa mga drama eh.
Oo. Guys, dito lang tayo makabili. So, spray na tayo. Talaga ng bongga. Ariana. Mood.
Ariwana?
Arwana mood. Ito ata yung mood. Ano ba ito? Yung pink na mood. Guys, our favorite scent.
Alin?
Black Opium. Aqua Cell. Dati napakamahal nito.
Ano yan?
Skincare.
Sam in her natural habitat.
It's still now and I'm stuck in my bed. Feeling now and I'm
Hey, so we finished sa Ulta. Isa lang naman binili ko. Dapat mapapadami yan. Pinigilan ko lang yung sarili ko kasi iniisip ko hindi ko pa naman kailangan ng iba. So
Pero
yung kailangan
nakaka-tempt.
ko lang. Nakaka-tempt kasi para siyang heaven. Lalo na kung mahilig ka sa skincare, makeup, ganyan. Kompleto siya. Madami. Sobrang natuwa ako. Tapos, ang nakakatuwa doon, kaya ako gusto doon sa loob, maraming minis. So, pag hindi ka pa sure, pwede mong itry. Try muna. At least hindi big bottles agad yung bibilin mo. Yan. So, naman punta kami sa Marshall. Akala ko Estee Lauder, guys. $5.99 lang kasi, pero pag binasa nyo.
Nakascore tayo ngayon ng shorts.
For only $8.
For only $8.
Nice. Anong brand?
Brooklyn.
So guys, ako naghahanap naman ako ng bra. So I found one for $12.
Clearance hunting.
I don't know where I'm going.
I love me some New Balance. And some
Hurley.
Hurley ba to?
Oh.
Hurley?
Harley Davidson.
Ocean, I need your soothing motion. Please help me take the pain away. Yeah.
For shorts. For only $9. Used to be $50. Ngayon, it's only $9. What a...
Big holiday. Cool winds on me out by the shade.
Hey guys, so kakalabas lang namin sa ano to? Marshalls. And it's currently 7:59 PM. Pero tignan nyo, sobrang maliwanag pa rin. Parang 5 p.m. sa atin. And then, next na pupuntahan namin is Walmart.
Walter Mart.
Walmart daw. So, mag-look around lang kami dun. Samahan nyo na kami hanggang makauwi kami.
I'm starting to think that we do things way too differently to take this seriously. And all of the times that we said we go to therapy, but still we never been. Yeah, yeah. But things don't change, they stay the same. I've gotta go my own way. Yeah, things don't change. I've gotta do better than you for me. You're all about you.
What's up mga Dabarkans? We're here at Walter Mart.
Walmart?
Walmart pala.
Sumanyos ka lang?
Ano, Walter Mart.
Wow, grabe naman po. I spoke to yarn.
What's that?
M&M's. M&M's. Oh my God.
Anong kinikrave mo sa Walter Mart? Ano kinikrave mo?
Naghanap ako siomay.
Siomay sa Walmart?
Gusto ko ng siomay. First,
Oo, ano. Tingnan natin kung makakita siya ng siomay, ha?
let's see, let's see. That's the goal.
Walter Martin.
Hey guys, so pag pauwi na kami, bibili ako. This is my paborito sauce here.
Is that your
in-
paborito?
Yes, 100% paborito. Cheese.
Bakit malungkot ang beshi ko?
Wala kasing siomay dito, kaya malungkot ang lola niyo. Hey.
What's up, Dabarkads?
Finish na kami i-check out yung half ng Walmart.
Half ng Walmart. Ang laki.
So, balik na kami on another day. Wala na kami binili. We just
Ikot lang.
looked around. Tsaka wala akong nakitang siomay. Yun talaga yung goal ko eh. Siomay.
Show my time. So,
Yeah. So, this is siguro where we'll end our vlog. We'll be ending our vlog here na. So, if you guys like our video, please like and share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and see you on our next video.
my name is Tim.
My name's Sam.
We are
Team Sam Vlogs!